The new year approaches, lit by candlelight. It is now the beginning of the dark half of the year. Harvest season is ending as the cold brushes against my cheek. A shift in the crisp air lets me know we are not alone. The spirit world has joined us, passing through the thinning veil that divides our world from theirs. I set the table for loved ones who have passed and place offerings to discourage mischievous spirits. The bonfire is lit, the dancing begins, and we reminisce with stories and song. Festivities carry on, reunited this Samhain night. The world slips into darkness when the sun rises.
Spent it in good company, and all the harm I've ever done, alas, it was to none but me, and all I've done for want of to memory now I can forget. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be to you all. So fill to me the parting glass and drink a health whate'er befalls. Then gently rise and softly call, good night and joy be to you all. Of all the comrades that e'er I had, they're sorry for my going away, and all the sweethearts that e'er I had, they wish me one more day to stay. But since it fell into my lot that I should rise and you should not, I'll gently rise and softly call, good night and joy be to you all. So fill to me the parting glass and drink a health whate'er befalls. Then gently rise and softly call, good night and joy be to you all.